guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this is another wig install, and this video is sponsored by none other than Luvmehair. Nobody needs my channel. I did do my makeup already, but I didn't finish it. I'm just gonna finish it while the wig is on. I do have clothes on, so don't even try it. But anyways, I'm just gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the box. So inside the box they sent me a little set. I did got this wig back in December, so my bad for only just doing the video. So I don't know if this was supposed to be like a Christmas gift. Probably was, but yeah, it's just a little like nail care kit thingy that they sent to me. Stocking cap, which I'll be using because obviously none's on my head right now, and also that my hair grew a lot. Remember, like I cut it, yeah. And they also sent me this little kit, which I'm going to be showing you guys. Luvme scarf that I could use for my baby hairs, baby hair comb, bobby pins, elastic band, and a Luvmehair clip. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the wig. So this is the wig. This is a bob wig, as you guys can see, highlighted bob. I'm not sure about the length. I think this is 10 inches, either 10 or 8 inches, but I'll be putting the links down below. I did go ahead and pretty much plucked it. I didn't bleach the wig. Okay, I'm putting it on just as the wig came. Did not bleach it. I only went ahead and straightened the wig and plucked a little bit at the front. So I might be doing a glueless method with this. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna be installing it right now. So as we go, you guys will see what method I end up doing, but most likely it's gonna be a glueless install. But yeah, let's just jump into this video. This is also the inside of the wig. It comes with straps, combs, and adjustable straps in the back, elastic band, and you know, the regular. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my foundation, my ball cap, my stocking cap, and start this install. this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I absolutely love the fact that this wig literally took me like 10 minutes. I didn't have to do anything, and this, I think this is one of the first time I'm putting on a wig without actually bleaching it, because I normally go in and bleach my wig. It doesn't matter like what color it is, except for like 613 hair. I normally go in and still try to bleach it at least once just to change the knots a bit. I didn't bleach this wig and I felt like it was fine, like it came out cute. The makeup did the trick. The highlights are not too bright and they're not too low. Like, I actually love this wig. It's an easy wig. If you really don't know how to put a wig on, this is one of your best option, because literally it took me no time to do this, little to no effort. As you can see, like when I did, once it's on my head, the only thing I really did was use my hot comb and the spray. Like, there's nothing hard with installing this wig. But yeah, thank you Luvme here for sponsoring this video, and I definitely look forward to the next collab with you guys. But yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.